This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Thursday, June 18th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. Asian stocks hit record highs today as investors cheered on the news that a temporary ceasefire deal between the U.S. and Iran was signed into effect today. Both Japanese and Korean markets hit new milestones, fueled also by positive sentiment surrounding the artificial intelligence boom. The Nikkei 225 closed at a record high for its fourth straight session, surging past 71,000, bringing the index up 41% so far this year. The South Korean Kospi also reached new records, crossing 9,000 for the first time in intraday trading. And oil prices continued to sink, down by more than $1 today following the announced peace deal on the expectations of an increase in oil supply. Brent crude futures fell 2.3%, reaching a 3-month low at $77.70, while the U.S.'s West Texas Intermediate was down 2.7% at $74.70. Crude is now trading close to its pre-U.S.-Iran war levels. The 14-point plan, signed by both presidents, would extend the April ceasefire for the next 60 days, as both sides continue to work on negotiations for a permanent end to the war. Key details of the plan secured toll-free passage through the Strait of Hormuz, though only for 60 days. It also included a full resumption of traffic through the strait within 30 days. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan firmed 0.2% higher. Taiwanese shares also rose more than 1%, leaving it up 60% for the year. The U.S. dollar held steady and kept its more than 2-month high today, following new Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh's hawkish tone during his first policy meeting yesterday. The Fed held rates steady, but warned of potential rate hikes amidst elevated inflation concerns. On the flip side, early European shares traded mostly down. The pan-region Euro Stoxx 50 and German DAX futures fell 0.7% and 0.4% respectively. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg and Lens On Daily for the latest, tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.